trying to enroll your child in school in the United States and feeling completely overwhelmed? Take a deep breath. You're not alone. It might look complicated at first, but once you understand the steps, it's actually very manageable. Let me walk you through it. First, you need to understand your school options. In the US, families usually choose between zoned public schools, charter or magnet schools, private schools, or homeschooling. If you're already living in the US, your home address usually determines your public school. This is called your zoned school, and enrollment is typically straightforward. If you want a different public school, you'll apply during what's called a school choice window. Some districts use lotteries, so it's very important not to miss the deadline. Now let's talk paperwork. Most schools will ask for proof of address like a lease agreement or utility bill. You'll also need proof of your child's age. A birth certificate or a passport works. Don't forget vaccination records, and if your child attended school before, bring previous report cards or transcripts. Here's a simple tip that saves a lot of stress. Call the school district office before visiting. They'll confirm exactly what documents are required. If you're moving from another country, there are a few additional steps, but nothing you can't handle. If your child is coming on a student visa, the school must issue something called an I-20 form. That document is required to apply for an F1 student visa. And if your child is under 18, many schools require a US-based guardian. This step is very important, so plan ahead. If you're applying to private schools, expect a separate admissions process. This may include an application, interviews, teacher recommendations, and sometimes entrance exams like the SSAT or ISEE. Worried about tuition? Many private schools offer financial aid options, but deadlines are strict, so apply early. If your child needs learning support, you have the right to request an evaluation in public schools. And if English isn't their first language, schools provide ESL programs to help them adjust comfortably. Common mistakes include missing vaccination records, forgetting proof of address, missing school choice deadlines, or assuming a tourist visa allows enrollment, which usually it does not. So here's your quick checklist: proof of address, birth certificate or passport, vaccination records, previous school documents, and for international families, visa and guardian confirmation. If you'd like downloadable checklists and step-by-step templates, visit schooliopity.org. We're here to make school admissions simple.